Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a loop video for YouTube. So first you can just add the clips that you want to edit into track 2. So just drag it like this. And here is my video. You can just split the video in the 2 seconds mark. So I'm going to split in here. Let's split it and put the first video at the end of the track 2. So just drag it like this, and then after that, so let's move it in here and adjust it like this, and then go to, move the playhead into where the track 1 start, and then click on the track 2. Now you can add a keyframe here under the video, find opacity, add a keyframe at the opacity, and go to the end of the track 1 and move the opacity to 0 like this. Now you can just click on the track 1 and extend the durations of the track 1 like this. Copy the track 2 and here duplicate it. Sorry, no, you can just click on alternative key and then just copy and paste it in here in the same track on the track 2. Now move the playhead into where you want to start the loop effect, for example in here, and then move the track 2 here, the duplicate to where you want to start. Click on the track 2 again, and then here go to opacity again, and here move opacity to 0, and then go to where the track 1 ends, and then move back the opacity to 100. Okay, so that's it. So let's see the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.